Hi everyone, and welcome to the Assimilate Scratch Play Pro introduction video. Here I'm going to give you a rough overview of what Play Pro can do for you and why you should get a copy ASAP. Let's get right to it. First, Play Pro serves as a universal camera format player. Whilst each and every camera manufacturer ships his own little tool to play back the camera footage, Scratch Play Pro supports all of them at once and is also able to give a full screen preview either through a second monitor attached to your GPU or through a dedicated video I/O from AJA, Bluefish 444 or Blackmagic. The Construct tab allows you to load, sort and manage your clips and versions in different timelines, whereas the Player tab lets you review, comment and grade each and every clip. Note that instead of starting the app and loading footage through the Import Media button, you can also double-click a file or drag it onto the Play Pro icon in order to just pop up the player and play back the file. Second, Play Pro is also able to play back VR material in different formats, such as 360 and 180 stereo. Just hit the globe icon here and you'll be able to view and review the clip in 360 mode. Play Pro supports all major VR headsets, such as the Oculus Rift, HTC Vive, and basically any headset that is using OpenVR, including OpenVR on Mac. Next, and maybe most important, Play Pro is not only a player, but also a transcoder. Again, each and every camera manufacturer has his own little tool for that. But many of them are cumbersome to operate, some do not even feature QC tools, and none of them support ProRes encoding on Windows. Play Pro is one app for all camera formats that allows to transcode to H.265, H.264, up to 8K, which is especially important for VR delivery, and also Apple-licensed ProRes on Windows. With each transcode, Play Pro includes as much metadata as it can get from the source clips or from user-filled-in metadata such as scene and take info. Also, it includes VR information to enable online portals such as YouTube and Facebook to identify the clip as a VR clip. Speaking about metadata, Play Pro also allows you to export an ALE file in order to ship just metadata to any other NLE or grading software, including CDL grade information. Play Pro can also be used as a look creator and look managing tool. It allows you to load and combine 1D and 3D LUTs, load CTLs and CDLs. Together with Play Pro's powerful color management, you can even set up sophisticated color pipelines to view and grade material of different color spaces. For instance, in an ASUS workflow. You can use the built-in CDL toolset to create your own looks or combine CDL grade with up to 2 lookup tables and export the grade either as a single CDL or through an ALE, which then contains the CDL grades of all shots of a timeline. Alternatively, you can export either 1D or 3D LUTs from your grade. Play Pro allows to export any size and bit depth to accommodate for different LUT boxes, cameras, monitors or softwares the LUTs are going to be used with further down in the pipeline. You can use the version stack to easily create and manage different versions of your grade or copy the current grade to other versions or takes of the same shot and then compare them using dual or split view. Lastly, Play Pro is also a QC tool you can use to review clips immediately after offloading them from the camera. The built-in scopes, histogram and vector scope, as well as the guides such as action and title save, help you with that. You can use the dynamic note feature to drop in comments and annotations at any given timecode, and later on export those by generating a DIT report or publishing to Scratch Web, which also allows your clients to review and comment on the footage. Another form of report is the Hdr Report. This handy function calculates metadata such as max CLL and max fall for HDR content and lets you save this as a separate HDR report. This is it for a quick overview of features that Play Pro offers. Please get the fully functional 30-day trial from our webpage and have a look for yourself. If you have suggestions or need troubleshooting, feel free to contact us via the contact form on our webpage or through an email to support@assimilateinc.com.